Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com, and welcome to another episode of Fact or Fiction. This week, I got tons of questions on men's health. So we're gonna find out what's fact and what's fiction. Hey AD, as humans, aging is inevitable, and I completely understand that. I've heard stories about how things like stress, smoking, and even wearing briefs can affect males' fertility. Beside those three, I want to know if age has a huge impact on infertility. Best, Rick. I get it, getting older sucks, and it does. But unfortunately, this is a fact. We always hear about women's fertility issues. This issue, that issue, but they don't ever think about us. Men, what happens to us? As we get older, the quality of our sperm actually decreases. Look, we don't have the same ticking biological clock like women, but actually when we get into our 40s or older, we will have more infertility issues than younger men. Men, if you want children, it's probably better to have it at a younger age. Look, if you're stressing out, it causes your body to release a steroid hormone, which can affect your testosterone levels and also your sperm production. There's strong evidence that proves that smokers' semen levels are much lower than a person who doesn't smoke. If you smoke cigarette, that actually puts more inflammation within your semen, therefore weakening your sperm. Tidy whities, stop wearing them. They look terrible. And to be honest, there is no scientific evidence that proves that tidy whities is gonna help your body produce less sperm. Next question. How's it going, AD? As an African American man in society, for some reason there's a stigma where we avoid regular doctor visits. I personally believe it's important for regular checkups, and one of my main concerns has to do with prostate cancer. Is it true that prostate cancer is more likely to occur in men than any other cancer? Thanks, Ronald. Ronald, this is a fact. Prostate cancer is the second most common cancer in men after skin cancer. 1 out of 6 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer. 1 out of 33 men will actually die from it. The most common factor for prostate cancer will be age. So the older you get, the more likely you are to have prostate cancer. And this part really sucks. If you're a black guy like me, that means you're gonna be 50% more likely to develop prostate cancer and 2 times more likely to die from it. Black guys, we're gonna have to pull it together. I'm reading the statistics. We are doomed. They're saying, look, if we're smoking, poor diet, not working out, the numbers are so much higher for us when it comes to prostate cancer. We have to do better. Put down the cigarettes, head to the gym. And lastly, we're gonna have to eat better. Cleanse, eat more fresh fruits and vegetables. That is the key. That's the only way we're gonna even out these numbers. So therefore they make way more sense to me when I read them off. Good luck. Next question. What's up, AD? I have a huge problem. I just turned 23 last week and my beard still doesn't connect. I remember in high school, I had that patchy phase going on and I would just shave it and it would grow back more full. Why is that not the case now? Doesn't shaving make your hair grow thicker? Thanks, Albert. Albert, this is an old wives' tale. Just because you shave doesn't mean that your hair is gonna grow back faster or thicker. This is fiction. Although you may think your hair is thicker after you shave, it really isn't. I know it's frustrating, but growing a beard takes time and patience. When you shave, you're only slicing off the dead hair from the surface of the skin. And since you're not getting underneath the skin, you can't affect the thickness of your hair. In your teenage years, boys experience spikes of testosterone. And that's the reason why they have the patchiness and the unreliable growth. And having a thicker beard grow in place as you're shaving is purely a coincidence of puberty. And that's the end of another episode of Fact or Fiction. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section or email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. And you already know what I'm about to say. Hit the subscribe button. See you next week.